Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today Microsoft released a new insider preview build to the dev and beta channel. After updating to this build, the build version will be changed to 22593. This build includes not only a handful of changes and improvements, but includes a good set of fixes that will improve insiders' overall experience on their device. Talking about the changes and improvements, Microsoft has updated Win+X, so that if Windows Terminal is installed, the menu will include an entry for Terminal, and in cases where Windows Terminal is uninstalled, it will display Windows PowerShell. Also, the default homepage of File Explorer is now called Home. The name Quick Access has been repurposed for the Pin Frequent Folders section, and Pin files are now called Favorites, to align with Office and OneDrive. Moreover, recent and pinned files displayed in Home are now searchable using the search box in File Explorer, even if they are not local files, so you can find Office files recently shared with you. And now, if you press Win+C to open Snap Layouts, all the layouts will now show associated numbers, so you can quickly use the number keys to select the desired layout. Now Microsoft Journal is pinned by default on the pan menu. If you don't have the app installed, it will be installed from the Microsoft Store, if chosen on the pan menu. Microsoft also added 5-minute increments for everything under half hour to focus session length options. And lastly, Microsoft added memory integrity as a feature in Windows 11 designed to prevent attacks from inserting malicious code into high-security processes. This feature can be found in Windows Security under Device Security Core Isolation. In the most recent insider preview builds, it will notify the user that this feature is currently turned off, so that action can be taken for the user to turn it back on, so that their device is as secure as possible against malicious attacks. So, that was all the new things, changes, and improvements and features introduced in this build. This build also has some fixes. To know more about it, head to the link given in the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.